Hi there, Gordon Dudley, Kukjae Headhunter, reporting to you from Korea University with mask. Basically, I wanted to give you an idea of what it's like delivering a workshop on a campus when the whole campus is on lockdown. Basically, we've got nobody here, and I'm on my way to deliver a 2-hour seminar about building a global career. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I made it to the business school. It's on full lockdown, as you can see here. Usually I'd just be able to walk straight in, but I've got to sign in with a guard at the front desk, state my purpose, and make sure that I'm pre-registered. Let's head on in. So this is going to be the first lecture that I deliver as a virtual lecture. Everybody's going to be signing on using Zoom. So let's head to the classroom and see how it's going. Just all by myself, all my Jack Jones to the camera for 2 hours with some Korean students, some Chinese students who are currently studying MBA at Korea University. Let's see how it goes, and I'll speak to you after. Too far away, and the person will feel that you're not warm or willing to greet them properly. Fourthly, eye contact is incredibly important when meeting somebody for the first time. Such an important part of student life is mixing and mingling and meeting with so many new people. How to do that virtually in a digital classroom, it's definitely a whole new era, and things which will be challenging at first, but we move on and we move forward, and it's clear that with great technology right now that organizations, both educational and private, can do the work that they need to get done and collaborate and communicate. It just takes some slight open-mindedness by people to work in a different way, and perhaps make sure that the person on the other end is still as much aligned as if you were face to face. So it was an interesting experience, and looking forward to doing more of this type in the future, as well as continuing to do offline experiential based workshops. See you soon.